Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. The climatologists have recently confirmed and shockingly low temperature originally set near 30 years ago in the northern hemisphere. The new low temperatures were recently confirmed after nearly 3 decades from the original date. In the era of climate change, much attention focuses on new heat records, but this newly recognized cold record is an important reminder about the stark contrast of climate change on this planet. The frigid new record shivers past the previous record of minus 93.3 degree Fahrenheit that has been verified for the northern hemisphere in the recent years. These extreme lows slip past the average temperature on the March, which is roughly minus 81 degree Fahrenheit according to NASA. Earth's northern hemisphere has new all-time record cold temperature, but it happened nearly 30 years ago. This investigation highlights that today's climate scientists should not only identify modern climate records, but they have to play a climate detective and uncover important past climate records. The prolonged freeze, which saw many new record cold maximum temperatures from Canada and all the way into Texas, was a big surprise to scientists. North America witnessed its coldest February since 1994 with 9,027 daily cold record sets. More than 100 million people over 1.6 million kilometers square were under winter storm warnings. Some 73% of the continental USA was covered in snow in February 2021, which was the greatest extent on the record in the database, which dates back to 2003. The Arctic air pushed into the South Texas to cause the extreme cold blast. Air from Siberia flowed across the North Pole and made a beeline south from Canada all the way down to the Gulf Coast as an Arctic high pressure system was set up there. Some parts of Texas were even colder than Alaska. According to the news reports, Dallas reached a low of 4 degrees Fahrenheit on February 15th, which was the coldest temperatures of the city since 1989. The US National Weather Service said that abnormally cold temperatures still continue in Denver, Wyoming, and Nebraska. The Russian Federation and northern parts of Europe were also hit by very cold weather in mid-February alongside a series of Atlantic storms. The Netherlands and parts of Germany was hit by huge snowstorm, bringing parts of the countries to a standstill. Southern Europe and Mediterranean saw major snowstorms, including Spain and Greece was blanketed by snow in the week of 15 January. And there was heavy snow seen in the Middle Eastern countries like Syria and Yemen. The United Kingdom saw its coldest February nights since 1955, with the temperatures in Aberdeen fell to minus 23 degrees Celsius on 10th February. Scandinavia and Latvia also saw an average temperature in winter 2021 of minus 37 degrees Celsius, the coldest since 2013, and also with the thickest snow cover since then. Germany was also not left behind, and in the beginning week of February, the temperature fell below minus 20 degrees Celsius at many observing stations, breaking monthly records at the same time as even low-lying areas received heavy snow. Canals in the Netherlands froze over, which is an increasingly rare event. Greenland is now a new record holder for the lowest temperatures ever recorded in the northern hemisphere after the World Meteorological Organization confirmed a jaw-dropping temperature of minus 93.3 degree Fahrenheit. Climate change is the biggest challenge that planet is facing recently. Scientists confirmed that the Earth just endured its coldest February in 7 years. Global temperature pattern in February appears to have confirmed the forewarnings from climate scientists for decades. Different parts of the world have displayed similar contrasting weather patterns over the past few years. However, such a cold temperature patterns were more apparent in February 2021 than in any other months as per the weather records from the different agencies. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like these, and please subscribe our channel.